is how we make knockout designs using the Silhouette Studio software program. We will start with our artboard, and you will notice that I have opened just a panther silhouette. You can do this with any simple silhouette type design. The less detailed the design is, the better this will work for this particular technique. Let's start by selecting your text tool and typing out your text. I am typing the word panthers for this design. Click on your text and select whatever font you would like to use. Then you can adjust the size of your text by just dragging the squares. Now let's get rid of that red outline by going to the line tool and clicking on transparent. And then let's fill it with a color. I'm going to use black. I'm going to drag my panther over here because I'm going to be using it for something else in just a minute. But let's make a copy of this panther and paste. And let's change his color. Let's use this yellow gold color. Now drag your panther on your text and just kind of arrange him. I'm going to make my text a little bit taller. Now let's adjust the size of the panther. Make sure you keep him inside the lines of the text. If you don't get all of the panther on there, it will look weird when you try to knock him out of the text. Try to keep him inside the lines. I think that looks pretty good. So now let's select the text and the panther and let's make a copy of that. Now we have two copies. Let's select the first copy and then go to our modify panel and select subtract. Now select the second copy. Make sure you get the text and the panther and select crop. So now we have the text with the panther knocked out, and then we have the panther that is filled with the text. Now select all of the parts of the panther and right click, and let's group that together so we don't have any stray pieces. And then just drag and line it up. You may want to zoom in so you can see where your lines are. And there we go. You can zoom back out and you will see we now have a panther cut out of the word panthers. This is just a cute little technique you can do to make your text look a little more interesting. So now let's knock the word panthers out of the panther. Let's make him a little bit larger. Then go to your text tool and type the word panthers. Select your text and you can change the font if you would like. I'm going to change it to this one. Now let's turn off that red cut line and let's just fill it with any color you would like. So drag your word on top of the panther and adjust the size. When you have this set up like you like it, highlight both the panther and the word and go to your modify panel and select subtract. And now you have the word panthers knocked out of the panther. You can use any silhouette type design for this technique. It is a great way to just add a little interest to something that might otherwise look a little boring. And that is how we use the knockout method in Silhouette Studio.